still God in the night.
We talk of faith way up on the mountain. Talk comes so easy, life's at its best. Now it's down in the valleys of trials and temptations. That's where your faith is really put to the test.
For the God on the mountain is the God in the valley.
When things
Go wrong, He'll make them right. And the God of the good times is still God in the bad times. The God of the day is still God in the night.
the God of the day